Hey guys, this is David at Black Camp Design. I wanted to quickly show you something here. If you wanted to go ahead and outline an image, it's pretty simple. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick little thing here. This is a circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an offset path for this. So you want to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. And then right here you have your options on what you want to do. So you can put your offset at a specific, you can have it mitered, you can have it rounded, or you can bevel it. Since it's a rounded object, it's going to be round. Your meter limit is going to be whatever you want to. You just hit preview, and there you go. Now you're looking at your outline. So I'm going to put this at a 0.25 spacing, and you can see how that changes. Hit OK. Great. Now, let's say you have a complicated image. Let's just combine these two at this point. We're going to go to Pathfinder here, combine these two shapes. Now you have an odd shape. Well, Pathfinder still works the same way. So go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Say I want that still, Offset Path. And now it follows the contour of the shape that you have. Hit OK. You can go ahead and click on that, click Outline, or go ahead and just revert those colors, and now you have a continuous path of an offset path for your shape. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe products. Talk soon. Bye.